Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Bebe, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Goodhearts Law. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about what exactly is Goodhearts Law and what does it state and what does it do, okay? So in order to understand that, first let's put up an example, okay? So let's say there's this school, okay? And you see the teachers are judged by their students' exam scores, okay? So a teacher's reputation is judged by how good or how well their students' exam scores are. So teachers are more focused on prepping their students for the exam, okay? They continuously tell them to study, study, and the students may, remember answers. But do the students actually understand the subject? Like, do they actually learn anything? Do they just learn to remember answers, or do they actually learn the concept? Well, this is basically what Goodhearts Law is. So the best way to describe it is in this famous quote, which is, when a measure becomes a target, it ceases to be a good measure, okay? Now, again, we can put this with this specific example again. So the measure in this case is, again, like the exam score, or not exactly, but see, when, again, as it states, when a measure becomes the target, so the teachers are, again, judged by the students' exam score, right? So they're prepping them for the exam. So the prepping them for the exam and the time, and right, that becomes the measurement, and it becomes a target, but it ceases to be a good measure because the students never actually understood or learned the concept. Some maybe, but not all of them could actually understand fully what the subject actually meant. Another example of this can be in business. You see, businesses more or less track metrics like sales, productivity, customer satisfaction, and the number of products that are being made, okay? Now again, all of these metrics are pretty useful, but if the employees are only rewarded, okay, like they're only rewarded for only one of these numbers, okay, for one of them, for example, let's say the number of products made, okay, and the employees are only rewarded for doing that. Sure, the number of products made can be more significantly higher, but the more and more they do, like, right, it may come to like some unwanted side effects. For example, the employees might doing them faster and faster and faster, and this can put the quality at serious risk of being poorer quality. So they miss the real target, which is to make faster, higher quality products. But instead, they're making lower quality products on accident, okay? Another example is you want to read more books, okay? So you read and read and you rush through them, right? And you only count how many books you have read through, but since you rushed, you never actually got to understand or enjoy the book, okay? And again, these are all examples of Goodhearts Law, okay? So how do you avoid this law, okay? Well, some stuff to remember is to, one, focus on the real objective, okay? Don't get sidetracked on this or this, just focus on what the main thing is that you're looking for, okay? And use other measurements as well, not just only one measurement, but various other measurements. And always remember, okay, the number may reflect part of the story, but not the full story, okay? And that's basically what Goodhearts Law is. And, well, that's basically it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.